On today's Disney Roundup, ticket prices have been revealed for Walt Disney World theme parks in 2026, major renovations have been announced for the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, and new updates that are coming to Millenium Falcon Smugglers Run. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each single week. Starting off with parks news, already announced for 2026, Disney has posted ticket prices for next year. Beginning now, guests looking to purchase tickets to any of the Walt Disney World theme parks are able to do so now through October of 2026. With another year means more price increases, and day tickets have once again been a part of that. Per Blog Mickey, as of now for 2025, ticket prices range from $139 to $199 for Magic Kingdom, $129 to $194 for Epcot, $139 to $194 for Hollywood Studios, and $119 to $174 for Animal Kingdom. Looking at 2026, ticket prices range from $139 to $199 for Magic Kingdom, $129 to $189 for Epcot, $139 to $199 for Hollywood Studios, and $119 to $179 for Animal Kingdom. Parks ticket prices have increased for 2026 except for Epcot, where the highest tier ticket cost is actually $5 cheaper in 2026 than what it is this year. Pricing has not been shared as of yet for November and December of 2026, those months usually where we'll see the highest tier of ticket costs for the year. Let me know what you think of these ticket prices in the comments down below. Although it was just refurbished not that long ago, Disney has announced major renovations for the Grand Floridian. A celebration of the golden age of travel in Florida's lavish seaside hotels, the Grand Floridian is known for its unique theming and Disney hospitality. The lobby's renovation marks the culmination of the resort's multi-year refurbishment, which has included enhanced guest rooms, refreshed dining experiences, and more. Inspired by the lobby's iconic birdcage, the bar will pay tribute to the resort's Victorian roots with intricate woodwork, stained glass, and brass accents. You may even spot colorful birds in the stained glass and murals throughout the atrium. Opposite the bar, guests will still find the Victorian cage-style elevator that fans know and love. The surrounding lobby staircase and front desk will be refreshed with a mix of botanical accents and inviting colors to create an airy garden-like atmosphere. Disney Imagineers are approaching this refurbishment with great care and focus and maintaining the heart and story of the Grand Floridian while adding fresh new life to the lobby for guests to enjoy. As shown in the new concept art, the lobby will feature beautiful new carpeting with Victorian-inspired borders and scrollwork featuring hand-drawn florals inspired by turn-of-the-century botanical studies. While the resort lobby is being renovated, the traditional gingerbread house in the Grand Floridian resort lobby will not be available. Let me know what you think of the renovations coming to the Grand Floridian lobby in the comments down below. Starting next year, new updates are coming to Millenium Falcon Smugglers Run. Starting May 22nd, 2026 at Walt Disney World and Disneyland Resort, Millenium Falcon Smugglers Run will allow guests to control the iconic ship like never before. For the first time ever, the crew will be in control of their own destination, leading to potential adventures on the Bespin, the wreckage of the second Death Star, around Endor, or just announced bustling city planet Coruscant. Another new gameplay addition allows the engineer positions to communicate with Grogu during the mission. These updates debut on the same day as Lucasfilm's upcoming title, The Mandalorian and Grogu. However, the attraction storyline will follow a different path. In this new thrilling storyline, Hondo Ohnaka has gotten wind of a deal going down the Tatooine between ex-Imperial officers and a band of pirates. There's a generous bounty for their capture, so you'll borrow the iconic ship and team up with Mando and Grogu to track them down and explore the galaxy. Announced for next year, Disney has shared new resort perks for 2026. Throughout all of 2026, guests staying at one of the more than 25 Disney Resort hotels will get a free dining plan for their kids ages 3 to 9 when purchasing a dining plan as part of their package for the other members of their party. The kids' free dining plan offering can be combined with other select special offers, meaning you may still be eligible to take advantage of other deals in 2026. Continuing through 2026, Disney Resort hotel guests can can enjoy more time in the parks with 30 minutes of early theme park entry every day at every park. Guests of Disney Deluxe Resort or Disney Deluxe Villa Resorts will also continue to have access to extended evening hours at select theme parks on certain days. Coming back in summer of 2026, Disney Resort hotel guests can get free water park admission on their check-in day, subject to availability. Additional details, including specific dates, will be shared at a later time. You can book your 2026 Disney World vacation starting now for dates through October of 2026. Coming this summer, Marvel Studios has shared a new trailer for the Fantastic Four First Steps. A new trailer and poster showcasing Marvel's first family, Silver Surfer, Herbie, and the retro-futuristic 1960s vibe of Marvel Studios' The Fantastic Four First Steps is now here. Marvel Studios' The Fantastic Four First Steps introduces Reed Richards being Mr. Fantastic, Sue Storm being Invisible Woman, Johnny Storm, Human Torch, and Ben Grimm, who is the Thing, as they face their most daunting challenge yet. Forced to balance their roles as heroes with the strength of their family bond, they must defend Earth from a ravenous space god called Galactus and his enigmatic herald Silver Surfer. And if Galactus' plan to devour the entire planet and everyone on it weren't bad enough, it suddenly gets very personal. The Fantastic Four First Steps opens in theaters July 25th, and if you want to watch the new trailer, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Announced for release in 2 years, Disney and Lucasfilm have revealed the next Star Wars movie. Over this past weekend at Star Wars Celebration 2025, Lucasfilm's president Kathleen Kennedy and Chief Creative Officer Dave Filoni announced an all-new theatrical release set in the Star Wars galaxy, Star Wars Starfighter. Star Wars Starfighter, which will be directed by Sean Levy and star Ryan Gosling, is a standalone adventure taking place approximately 5 years after the events of The Rise of Skywalker. Star Wars Starfighter is currently scheduled to release in theaters May 28th, 2027. Alright everyone, that's it for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. So for this week, until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.